What is up guys, Break here, coming up with a different kind of episode. This time we are doing an unboxing video. This is definitely not a kitchen knife, this is an unboxing knife. Let's say this is an unboxing knife. And what are we going to unbox? A TV? A PlayStation 5? Well, unfortunately I didn't get the PlayStation 5. They sold out so quick. I was too unlucky. Well, but if you didn't know, what my upcoming videos will be like is the cooking videos. So what do I need for a good cooking video? Well, good lights, of course, and I bought some on Amazon, and well, I wanted to share this video with you guys and unbox the light video. Well, let's unbox this video. Now, as you can see, we are going to unbox this video. Let me put this a little bit more further. Okay. Now, I hope you can all see this. Now, let's unbox this. Oh, damn. This knife is sure pretty sharp. It's going through like butter. Oh, damn. Oh well, there's another box. Take all this out. And this is rather small. Wait a second, I have to clean this up. And I am back. Well, let's unbox this video. I hope you can all see me. I hope you can see this box. This box is right here from there. Here. And here we have it. It comes with a really good package. Yeah. Let's get this out. But let's be careful. There are light bulbs in there. G-Cotto. I think, yeah, that's G-Cotto. Let's get this box away. Okay. Let's see. See what's in there. I hope you can see this. Let's open this. Another box. Okay. Maybe this is the stand here. Oh, it's not. Let's open this up. Here. Yes, it's the stand. Holy Jesus, this is the stand. Looks quite nice. Let's open this one. Oh my god, this was a good purchase. This costed me like under $60 or under 60 euros because I'm from Austria, so. And obviously subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. It always helps me out. Oh, look at this, another stand. Bruh. I think this is like the soft lighting, I think, for the lighters. And I think this is the jewel here, the light bulbs. Yeah, they're light bulbs. I don't know if I should open this right now because my room is now a mess, and next year I will definitely set all of this up. But yeah, let's open this. Let's open this first. Ooh, electric shock here. Oh my god! Look at this beast, man. Oh my god! Look at this. This is huge. This light bulb is huge. God, this is huge. Like how many watts? 85 watts and some more numbers that I don't know. But yeah, this. I think you clearly see this. Yeah, this is really cool. But I'm going to get this back in this one because I don't want to set up this right now. I'm going to keep this safe for now here. Let's get this up. Yeah. And we all know this one is the same too. Let's keep this knife somewhere safe because this one is very sharp. I didn't expect it to be this sharp. Oh yeah, what is this? Oh, this is like where you can turn on the lights. Whoa. I mean, I will get a link in the description. I got this on Amazon, so if you want to know where I got this, I will definitely give you a link in the description. In here, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing video. Next time I will unbox a different kind of thing. Yeah, sorry, my English is bad. Yeah, stay tuned. Subscribe. I love you all. This is my honest mind.